Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 63. Get ready for the dictation. Start. In 1858 was set up a royal commission on popular education in all the nation. The commissioners, at their discretion, were to arrange examinations to obtain information from every direction, to the exclusion of none, to call upon physicians, musicians and educationalists of every class, to take depositions when necessary, and briefly to review the general situation so as to secure satisfaction beyond all mere generalization, and show if there had been progression or retrogression. The commissioner's work was sensational in the facts brought out. There was ample justification for the commission and the adoption of the commissioners' advice was followed by an alteration in the general scheme of national education. Stop.